Hello, 32-bit people. I'm Jardog. I'm creating a new programming language with Python-like syntax. Let's start with creating a new tokenizer folder. We are going to place token.h inside this folder. So this file is going to contain enums and various other tidbits that we need for the tokenizer to work. So this is our enum class. We got these things such as keywords, XOR, and various other stuff. Yeah, we also got bunch of functions inside it, inline functions that will convert a token to string, string to token, or a string to a keyword token. Yeah, token class is here. Yeah, I have declared it as a struct because all of these are public. It is basically a very simple structure. That's also passing error. Yeah, that's what it do. And these two methods in passing error, we will implement them later in a CPP file. It can be any CPP file. At the moment, it is just a header that we are implementing, and this header, this is how it's going to look like. So our goal for this video is to come up with a Python script that can generate all these things. As you can see, it is quite repetitive. So the same, so the so different token types are going to do the same thing, and then there's kind of special keyword tokens that we need to match kind of a name to a keyword token, like while, try, those kind of stuff. Yeah, so all of this is going to be in this token.h file. Yeah, all right. Now in our scripts folder, we are going to create the update tokens script. Yeah, now we need to add the tokens .h here into our CMake list file. The reason we are doing it is, well, we need to have it in the sources because it is one of the sources. Yeah, all right. So in this video we will also create the clang format file. So this file I generated it using CLion. You can either use the same file or use anything else. Yeah, I'm now quickly going to just free format everything. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, things look good. All right. All right, now let's get to the update tokens. So this file is going to update token.h. That's what it's going to do. Let's start with the keywords that we are going to put in our enum. Yeah, so we got things like false, else. So the language that we are going to create is going to be like Python. So we will start with like something that supports like pretty much all of it, and then we trim down stuff from that, or we will add stuff to that. But having this base stuff going on here is going to be useful later. Yes, so the reason we are sorting this is that way our enum and all the methods that we are going to generate in token.h is going to look nice. They are going to be sorted. Yeah, it's just going to look nice. And these are the tokens we have, like things like name, the @sign, etc. So keywords that we created before, they also need to be converted tokens here. That's what is happening here. We just start them all with keyword underscore. All right, there you go. Yeah, yeah, that's how it's going to be. Yeah, let's copy paste this token to the update tokens as a template. So that's the file that we want to go into. So my recommendation is you either start from the file that's already there in Git repo, or you start from the update tokens and then modify it the way you like. All right, so those things need to go now, except the unknown token detected one, which we are going to use as a kind of a special token. Yeah. So these things that I'm marking with dollar signs, I'm gonna do a simple find and replace them later. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the unknown token detected, like I said, in these functions, because that is like a special placeholder for the things that these functions don't know about. Yeah, for example, if you pass in some string it does not know for str to keyword, it will simply return unknown token detected. All right, yeah, things are looking good. It is also going to be like the default token there in the token type enum. It is the default token basically, yeah, which we will fall back to. Yeah, I'm gonna simply create here constants that I will go and replace later on with stuff that I generate. Yeah, that's how I'm creating the constants. We got replace tokens, replace token to str. Yeah, all of them are going to be there. Yeah, looking good. Yeah, indentation is basically 4 spaces. There's no need to say that. That's quite obvious. No need to add a comment there. All right. Yeah. Okay. So basically this is how our update tokens is going to look like. So this file, like I said, is responsible for things like str for token method, token to str, keyword to token. All these methods are going to be generated from this update tokens py file. uh yeah, let's go down now. Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's our template. The reason I'm stripping here at the end of the string is to avoid the extra spaces at the end or the beginning. I'm simply going to create some more templates here, which I will add, like str token template. This is going to be just a one line in the str to token function. Yeah, that looks pretty simple. There you go. Yeah, now the other way around, where we convert a token to a string. Yeah, there you go. See, conversion from other way around. Now we just need to convert a string to a keyword token. This is special because all the keywords we can match them uh, as for example names, and then see if the name match with one of the keywords and then identify that as keyword. So it is kind of, that's why these tokens are different from other tokens, that they are basically words or names that we got, but they also mean something else. All right, so that's what they mean. Replace single token or replace uppercase token. Yeah, I'm gonna simply set up a main function here. Yeah, that's how we'll call main. Now this is an interesting bit. So I'm just changing the path to be my starting from scratch Yaksha project path. That way I can simply run it from the current location and everything works out fine. So that is a reason for that. The file underscore underscore dunder file is going to give the place path for these update tokens py, and from that I'm deriving location of starting from scratch Yaksha project folder path. That's what's happening here, and then I'm changing the directory to that, and then I'm going to run the main method. In the main method is where the fun things will happen. It will create the token list, which will be the different enum values in the token type. There you go. It's fairly straightforward. Now you can't just put a string in the template, so we need to convert that to sorry, put a list of strings in the template, so we need to convert that to a string. That's what the join is doing. Looking good. Yeah, let's print that out and see. All right, yeah, that looks good. That's all the keywords and all the different kind of token types. Do not worry about the different kind of token types now. It all depending on the language that you want to build. If you want to follow along, you can just use the same structure. But yeah, if you're coming up with something your own, obviously the different kind of tokens will be different. But this update tokens py, the Python script we are writing is going to be like a generator script that can easily generate the token.h for us, which makes our life easier. So I know that we can use something like Jinja templates for this, but I decided to do simple find and replace. First of all, it is easier to understand, and I don't need to install any other third-party libraries, and it works out of the box, which makes it easy. You just need uh, plain C Python 3.6 or newer, I guess. Yeah, and it should work, which you will find in anywhere in any modern Linux installation. You can easily install it on Mac OS or Windows. So that is the reason for it being. That is the reason we are not using any third-party dependencies. Yeah, which make things simpler for whoever is looking at the source code. Yeah, so this is a special case that we need to convert the all keywords to uppercase so it look nice in our enum. That's why I'm doing it this way. Yeah, trying to format it a little bit nicely in the Python code. All right, now let's print it and see. Yeah, there you go. If it is class, it's going to return keyword class like that. Looks good. Now for the code, which is the token.h template, we are going to replace the various bits that we have placed inside it using the dollar signs with the stuff that we just wrote in token list, str to token lines, etc. Okay, got these 4 replacements done. All right, so I'm gonna just write the file like that. Yeah. Yeah, this is token.h path. Remember, we are starting from scratch Yaksha path, so that's why we get to just open it like that here. Okay, before we do that, let's print it out and see how it looks like. Does it look good? Yeah, it is looking fine. Okay, now we can try updating that. Okay, let's delete that. Update. Yeah, it is looking good, except you see that the some things are a little bit over indented. Yeah, let's delete those lines. Yeah, delete that extra indent there. All right, let's go and see. Yeah, it looks good. Let's include it in the main file here. Yeah, things are building fine. There you go. That looks fine. Yeah. All right. So now I'm just gonna simply commit this to Git, and that is it for this video. Yeah, I'm gonna do multiple commits for these. Please check out the Git repo, and it should make sense. All right. Hey, thank you for watching. That is it for this video. Hope to see you again. Please like and subscribe.